Good morning, plumbers. If you don't know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. All while training my two sons the plumbing trade. Gonna be a long journey, but well worth it because we all know plumbing ain't going nowhere. And for today's plumbing adventure, they are meeting me at a restaurant. I'm gonna show them some miscellaneous repairs we gotta do. First one's gonna be a set of T&S wall mount pre-rinse faucet repair. Stay tuned and we'll see you inside. What we're going to do here is this. We got drippy faucets, as you see. Drippy faucets. We're not going to play with it. We're just going to change the barrels. Turn the water off. Nice ball down right here. Boom. Water's off. Off and off. Now these are easy, Chuck. Get the barrels there, Angelo. Thank you.
On the side or not, you good?
I'm good, I think, man. A little dunginess is always good for the atmosphere.
Where's the hot underneath?
No, I got the hot valve.
Underneath, right?
The new one.
I don't even know.
Hot and cold, baby. This ain't coming out. What's happening here? Hold on. Come on, Daddy. Oh, don't play with me now. Oh, almost to the face. Awesome. Should I say which is hot and cold? It's the hot. What do you give you? 4?
No?
Oh, the handle.
This is cartridge.
Right.
These are the handle. I'm gonna
All right, we
take
need
that.
handle 2. Give me a hot handle.
Oh, there are two different cartridges for.
Yes, hot and cold.
I know.
Usually come together in a box. That's what happens when you buy good faucets, man. You know? It's the ticket. There's no playing around. See the handle. All right, right now, folks, you ready for this? Not a big fan of fixing faucets, right? This is why. This is why. the old washer stuck inside the valve body. So it won't allow the stem to go down all the way. And I'm a little hot to try. All right, CB, give me some light, doggy. I'm a little hot right now. I'm sweating, and there it is. Come on, come on, come on. There it is. Now, what I'm not going to do, I'm not going to ruin it in case something crazy happens here. There it is. Oh. This is why I don't fix faucets. Now it's going to work this time. Oh, there it is. There. So you gotta keep it loose. Oh, here we go. And my smooth jaw wrench. Leave that there for now.
You want to screw it over?
Not right now. Let's do this one.
That goes out in your eyes.
What's that?
That goes out in your eyes.
That's good. Hold on. Hang up there for one. Let's hope this washer comes out. What do you think, CB? A little cooking wine? Or is that drinking wine?
It's cooking wine. Not bad, no. It's still 12% alcohol.
Ah, this one came out. All right. This one came out real nice. Thank you. So we're going 50%. Cold stem. Coffee, no. I learned this one already, that this washer comes all the way out. This washer, see how it doesn't want to cooperate? It's got to be all the way up. So you can start the thread. See the cold handle 2-inch? You gotta tighten these with it open, okay? And smash the washer. Very tricky. And the handles are all adjustable. All right, Angelo, give me some water. Hold on. We got leaks everywhere.
You didn't screw them on that.
What? I didn't screw one on. I don't need them on. It's leaking out of the body. How about that? better than that. Come on. It's not working with me today here. Alright, turn the water back on. Let's try this again. You know what this is, guys? What is this today? It is leaking. Well, what is it today?
Want to try that?
This is the last time I ever tried to fix a faucet. Alright, but I just don't like wasting my time, man. I'm serious. I can't stand it. Why would this leak? You know what I'm saying? These ain't cheap. And the only reason I even do it this way a little bit is because this whole stem and body is actually all new. So the washer sits against a new seat. That whole barrel is why I even think about doing a repair. It just doesn't pay to fix faucets now. Because you're end up paying double in the long run. Turn the water on. Goes all the way on, right?
Yeah.
They're all the way on? Oh, I'm sorry. Just... I would take the handles like this. Boom. All right? I could change this too, but I'm not going to. I mean, it's just endless. Valve here, right? This is a separate valve. This is probably a $400 or $500 valve, just so you know.
Yeah.
The whole setup, yeah, for sure. And I don't blame them, but sometimes you just got to do the right thing and go for the gusto. But it looks like we got away with it. All right, and them screws. Chuck?
Yeah.
Or Angelo, you can do this drain. You want to do this drain, Chuck?
Yeah.
Alright, Chucky's on this drain. We got to fix this drain too. Yeah, set up. So I want to show you something on this one, man. Alright. Beautiful. Hey. Not my cup of tea to be fixing faucets. Of course, we save them a couple of dollars, but you see the headache that you have, man. It's like it can go south real quick. Now, a new set of faucets is quite the dollar, but and still, in my opinion, it's worth it. New set, done, and you're done fixing and patching. But during these times, you want to save a couple bucks, and I was okay with it, so we got it done. In the end, they'll be cooking for some takeout food in the next couple days. What do we got? What do we got? And there goes another satisfied customer! See you at the next one.